is a beautiful spot, like a paradise for me.
Wow!
No one knows about this, surfing na meron pala dito sa Palawan.
NIDO is a community of friendship, and most people here are looking for big waves. If you're a beginner and you just ride the big waves, it's frustrating because you don't catch anything. So you want to get the small waves that are easy to catch, so it motivates you to keep going and to develop your skills.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa beachfront ng NIDO.
It's a very beautiful place.
NIDO is a community of friendship, and
this place for me became was becoming more and more feeling like home. And
This is a beautiful spot, like a paradise for me.
Right now we're at Duli Beach, which is a nice little surf spot and amazing beach here in Palawan.
No one knows about this, na meron pala dito sa Palawan.
not a lot of people are living nearby.
May area po na pang beginner. Meron din po pang open, pang pro.
And I come here all the time regardless of whether there's waves, because this is one of my favorite places on earth, I would say. Just an untouched strip of beach that hasn't been really developed.
So it's a mystery to me and I wanted to know more about it.
Yung consistent season talaga namin yan madalas na yung waves.
Start ng November to May, may alon pa po yan.
Best talaga na hindi ka rugi na onshore o mahangin. Mga December, January, February. Yan.
So as a elder, hindi po kami yung naunang nag-surf. Meron pong mga nag-surf na siargao, foreigner, sa resorts. So we're just continuing the legacy of surfing here.
Meron ng iba na nag-surf before, pero as far as I know, ito lang kasi kami lang yung nag-introduce talaga ng surf sa inyo.
When we arrived in Duli, as you can see, we got waves, and soon enough we already knew we would do something with it. While setting up, I mean, we were walking with construction material this way. We saw guys surfing from the main road. He parks the boards here, people jump off from here, and
ito yung pinaka-favorite na surfing spot ko. Kasi dito na mas relax ka, nakaka-chill.
So my reason for coming to El Nido now has become to surf.
Nobody actually introduced me to surfing. I kind of introduced myself to it. It's something that's always been around me, but never really been right in front of me. I live in California, but the ocean's about an hour away.
I didn't know how to swim back then, so I felt like it was a safe sport to try. Just now I started again. If the waves are not too big, I try to hop on the board as well. makatayo ka, no? Nakakatuwa.
Yung ginagamit ko po dati, longboard, tas ngayon, 6-0 shortboard. Sa akin po, longboard din po nung una. Pinaktihan po. Ngayon, 6-2 rin po.
I'm learning and growing, getting better, and it's falling, standing up. But yeah, you cannot stop. You cannot stop.
I like it because you're playing the waves and you feel like you're part of the ocean, you know?
So yeah, I got addicted to surfing, I guess.
Looks like a very fun and refreshing activity to kind of get away from the whole pandemic and lockdown.
It's a lot of fun, so I would recommend to do it to everyone. Yeah.
Reconnect with the sea, to be by the water, but I think just being here, it's just different in terms of the whole environment. It actually allows you to reconnect with yourself, and also to kind of just ground yourself in general.
Alam nyo kung bakit ko minaalala ang surfing? Ginagamit namin yung dagat pag may alon. So, we are in part of nature as a surfer. So, in return, kailangan ng tulong natin ang Mother Nature. Kailangan natin maglinis sa baybaying dagat natin. Pag may bagyo, so galing sa dagat, sa ibang lugar, napupunta dito yung mga basura. So, pag may mga ganun pong mga bagyo, pagtapos bagyo, we text each other to have a meeting. So, coastal cleanup. Paganda ng lugar. Tapos, syempre, ako, hindi lang ako, nakapag-surf na rin ako medyo sa maruming lugar. So, medyo, pag nakita ko na ganun, dinadampot ko na yung mga basura, guys. Obligation natin yun. Why not, di ba? So, yun lang, guys. Kung may nakita kayong dumi sa ating surf spot, basura, plastic, pakidampot na lang po, please, guys. Yun na lang yung magiging natin kay Mother Nature.
So, ang laro ko ngayong araw, hindi naman okay, hindi naman pangit at hindi rin naman maganda. Saktong Stoke lang kasi
Okay, yung laro ko last, quite challenging because there were currents. But I had my instructor with me. So, ang naging focus namin was paddling through the currents and then managing the waves as they come.
Today the surf's been pretty good. The waves are pretty clean, not too big, not too small. It's awesome because that's what you got. And for me as an amateur, I would say this is right up my alley. I'm still learning, but I'm catching waves, so believe me, every time I come I have a great time, regardless of the waves, so long as there's something to surf.
Medyo nakakapalo-palo rin ng konti. Kanina nakakuha po ako ng magandang alon kasi lang ako nakaisa po akong vertical kanina. I'm just trying to learn to stand up. That is the goal I set for myself today, and mission accomplished.
Today because I looked at the weather forecast yesterday and it looked like there would be a lot of waves. So.
Like well, we can get some longboards and have some fun.
I was really happy when I saw the waves today because they're kind of small, and that's what I'm looking for because I'm a beginner. Most people here are looking for big waves, so I know my boyfriend and many other people were disappointed, but I was really happy to see the small waves, and I had a lot of fun. Because I stood up a few times and I rode the waves, and that's what it's all about. You know, you want to get on the wave, and if you're a beginner and you just ride the big waves, it's frustrating because you don't catch anything. So you want to get the small waves that are easy to catch, so it motivates you to keep going and to develop your skills.
It turned up, you know, very beautiful weather. So I said like, okay, let's play, you know, because you know, it's already have a wave at least. Several times I managed to not fall.
And so I just went for a swim, and I met this guy. He was in the water filming the other surfers and asking me if I would surf. And I said, maybe later. And I ended up surfing, and he wanted to film me, and I was like, what? I don't even know how to surf, you know, I'm a beginner. But it turns out he still finds me interesting enough to put me in his documentaries.
This dude walking around filming just asked me if I wanted to be in his movie. I said no problem, so here we are filming and directing.
Ayun, maganda kasi may pumunta rito sa amin tulad yung mga short English documentaries para may promote din tong surfing spot namin.
Nakita ko na lang, meron na siyang suot na mask. Actually, nabigla nga ako, nagulat ako eh. Pinag-drive ko siya, nung huminto kami, nakita ko na lang na may mask na siyang suot. So,
yeah, his suit is pretty damn cool. Gotta say, it's a radical way to surf. Can't say it's the most practical way, but I think it's gonna definitely look cool doing it.
I actually didn't really think about it, to be honest. I didn't really question the mask. Yeah, I guess nowadays you see a lot of masks around, so I kind of get used to it.
Hindi natin kailangan magpas eh pagka nag-surf tayo. Medyo natawa lang ako eh. Tawa ka muna dun. Parang Mortal Kombat yung dating habang nag-surf eh. Pero ayos naman. Magaling, maganda. Nakaka-rides.
nakakagulat at nakakatuwa.
Naka-mask lagi. So, hindi ko makakita yung mukha eh. Napaka-weird niya, pero ang saya nakausap.
Nag-enjoy naman siya, kaya masaya rin ako. Basta pag nag-enjoy yan ng isang surfer, masaya kami yan.
So masasabi ko sa performance niya, okay naman, kaya lang medyo minsan nahuhuli, minsan masyadong nasa harapan, so hindi natin maiwasan ma-wipe out. Okay naman, nakakatayo siya eh. So, yun nga, beginner pero practice lang, stay stock, makakuha rin natin.
So guys, napakasarap promote ng surfing sa amin kasi hindi nila alam sa Pilipinas na may alon sa sa Palawan. So guys, let's go! Pasyal po kayo sa amin. Napakaganda ng lugar namin at number 1 guys, sa buong mundo, number 1 ang NIDO, Palawan. So kompleto kami activities dito guys. So, let's go! Tara!
My name is Yuri Ivanov, and
Ako nga pala si Jay.
Ako po si Dan Siray Dorasa.
Ako din po si Tristan Amado.
Ako nga po pala si Dominic Chris Arong.
Hello, I am Elias.
My name is Adrian Abad.
Ako po si Angelo Gallardo.
Hello, my name is Rick.
I'm Lena. My name is Carissa.
Monix Costa.
Hercules de los Reyes.
Gustuhan ko po sa surfing kasi maraming jigs, maraming nagtitingin po sa kaya gustuhan ko lang po ng surf.
Yung tubig.
So second question is, why are you here?
Not stop surfing anymore. So yeah, I got addicted to surfing, I guess.
American, so my accent is...
Where are you
We
from?
don't-
From here, and I was like, what? I don't even know how to surf, you know? Mainit eh.
If,
Sunog na ako.
Alright. So, thank you for coming and why are you here?
Okay, why I'm here? That's because
action!
Reaction ko ngayon, nakakita ko nag